It's craft time. Today we're going to make a homemade bubble solution, and we're going to experiment with some different things around the house that you can use to blow bubbles. So to make a homemade bubble solution, you need some water, a cup of water, and you need some dish soap. You are going to need some corn syrup, and that's it. So we're going to mix up our bubble solution right now. I measured 1 cup of water in this measuring cup. I'm going to pour it right into this bowl right here. There we go. Now I need 4 tablespoons of dish soap. So the dish soap that I have is blue, so it's going to make the water turn blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you can use this to blow bubbles, but if you want to make your bubbles a little bit stronger and last a little longer, you can add some corn syrup to it. And I have the corn syrup that I have is kind of an amber color, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of that corn syrup to it. 1, 2. Woo! Great. Corn syrup is a little bit sticky, and I'm going to put that measuring spoon right there. Now I just need to stir it up a little bit, and I could just use the measuring spoon to stir it up. There we go. And when I stir it up and mix all of these things together, they should mix equally in, and it's turning green. That's because the corn syrup is kind of yellow and the bubble is blue, and when you mix those together, it makes a really pretty green color. If you use glycerin instead of corn syrup, which you can also use, then it will stay blue. All right, I think that's all mixed together. I don't see any of the corn syrup in the bottom of the bowl. So that's what you kind of have to look for to see if any of it is sitting in the bottom of the bowl. Now we're ready to see if we can blow bubbles. So I don't have any bubble wands, so I'm going to try to use some different things that have holes in them. Let's see what I have. I have this spatula, and it has these holes right in the middle. So if I dip that right into the bubbles, it worked. So that's pretty good. Let's see what else I have over here. I wonder if this CD will work. It has a hole right in the middle. I'm gonna try that. Whew, that's a tricky one. It's hard to get the bubble stuff all the way around. Ooh, it's sticking right on the CD. That's pretty fun. Lots of different things you could try. I have these scissors, and they have a little hole right in the handle of the scissors. So I have that worked really well. Wow. How fun is that? So try this and blow some bubbles. And after you make your bubbles, you can find a bottle to put your bubble stuff in and just use a funnel and pour your bubble stuff in a bottle and save it for another day. Or you can reuse your soap containers to put your bubble stuff in. I hope you enjoy blowing bubbles and watching them float away. Bye-bye.